On this video, I'm going to talk about 4 ways to manage and use your money more effectively. Now, this also comes from Miriam Caldwell. She's actually the writer of this blog post, and I want to share some things about what she's written. Hopefully you can gain a little perspective on how this thing actually works. Now, remember, what we're doing here, what I'm doing here is I'm doing a dual learning process for you and for myself. One, I'm learning about financial literacy, more about financial literacy, and you're learning about financial literacy and how to set up the foundation of your online business while assisting yourself with becoming more comfortable speaking about it. Now, one of the ways you do that is by reading. You have to be able to articulate. You have to be able to process a sentence, a paragraph, right, in a way that people can follow it and it's interesting, right? That's how it's done. But you know, it takes practice. So if you're not good at it at first, don't worry about that. Neither was I. Okay, so we were in the same boat at one time, and I'm much better. I'm not perfect. I don't strive to be perfect. I strive to just to get the message across that I want to get across and go from there. Now, what she says on this blog post is that money is a tool that can help you to achieve your goals. It can provide comfort and stability for your family, make it easier to plan for the future, and allow you to save towards important milestones. But to achieve these things, you need to know how to make your money work for you. Now, the first thing she talks about is what does it mean to make your money work for you? Making your money work for you means taking control of your finances and using that control to continuously improve your financial stability and security. You may eventually be able to gain financial independence or build wealth through investing, but neither of those things can happen without first understanding where your money is going and learning better ways to use it. After that, she talks about learn to budget. A budget is a vital tool for changing the way you handle your money. When you are budgeting, you understand where your money is coming from and are purposeful about where you spend it. You are making your money do what you want it to do rather than spending without a plan. Now, she has an important note here that says the goal of budgeting is to always spend less than you earn. When you create a budget, you assign every dollar you earn to a spending category. You can use a budget to reduce your spending, understand where your money is going, identify bad financial habits, pay off debt, avoid creating new debt, prioritize on things that are important to you, or save money for the future. Now, following that, we're going to talk about get out of debt. When you are in debt, you pay more than the cost of the original purchase. You also have to make interest payments that can substantially cut into your income. Debt means your money isn't working for you. It's going toward paying that interest. It creates a financial burden and limits the choices that you can make. Paying off debt, by contrast, allows you to take that money and redirect it toward the things that are important to you. You can put it toward other financial goals such as saving for education, creating a retirement fund, traveling, improving your living situation. There's a variety of things you can do. And you can even start a business. You can begin investing, allowing you to grow your wealth and create more financial stability and independence. After that, she talks about create an emergency fund. Surprises are scary when you do not have control of your finances. An unexpected car repair, a medical procedure, a job loss, or any other financial emergency can quickly send you spiraling into new or more debt, wiping out any progress you've made toward taking control of your money. Creating an emergency fund is another way to make your money work for you, because it means you have planned for surprises. And an emergency, if an emergency comes, you can put the money in your fund to go to work and regain control of your situation. Plus, building an emergency fund can take time. Ideally, you should save the equivalent of 3 to 6 months worth of income, but every little bit you can save or set aside will help. Now, the tip she wants to use with that is put an emergency savings in a high yield savings account, which will earn more interest than a regular savings or checking account. Next, we're going to talk about save and invest your money. Once you have freed up all the extra money that you have from paying off your debt, you can put your money to work through savings and investments. What you save for will depend on your age, lifestyle, and goals. In addition to an emergency fund, you will also need retirement accounts. You should also consider whether you need 1, education savings for your children, 2, travel savings, 3, a down payment fund for a house, 4, saving to start a business, 5, a car fund for repairs or a new vehicle, 6, extracurricular fund for dependents, 7, long-term care savings for yourself or dependents. Excuse me. By creating designated savings funds, you can track your progress towards specific goals. You can also put those savings in a high interest account, money market account, or CD, certificate of deposit, in order to earn interest on your money. And the final important note is, remember, when you pay interest, you are losing money. But when you earn interest, your money is making more money all by itself. That's how it works. Simple enough, right? All right. Again, I thank you for watching these videos. What I'm doing here is I'm actually creating more videos to upload to YouTube, so I have more on my YouTube channel. And these type of videos are always educational and informative for anyone who's watching. So if this is your first time watching, I appreciate you, and continue watching. And I'll continue bringing you great information based on my knowledge and the knowledge of others. So again, my name is Larry James. My company is Speak with Larry, no spaces. And as always, share with someone else what I've shared with you.